Are we on? We're on. So, it's a little project for me. And the DeWalt grinder is let's not put it there. Let's put it somewhere where it's not going to fall off and smash into a million pieces. Now, this sledgehammer has been in my family since I was about 5. I can remember my dad actually buying it. I can remember my dad actually buying this sledgehammer. I found it in the garage the other day and I thought, I'm going to try and restore it. The handle has definitely seen better days. Split as well, it's got a split in it. But it is it's 43 years old. At least 43 years old. 45 years old, 43. It's over 40 years old anyway, put it that way. So I'm going to have a go at trying to restore this back to its former glory and put a new handle on it. And we're going to use the DeWalt to clean it up. That is the plan. Stay tuned. Right, let's get on for a let's see if we can do some more. Just show me. You want some? Woo! Some shines on there. If you lumps on you know, get out and never 9 years. And wait, before, after. Just nice. Carry on. We're going to do it. The handle. That is going to be just a bit nice. I need to have it all down. Right. That is. I'll try to get that. Just waiting it. There you go. If we try that, run on this, go it. Get down for it. And there's then you can that. Or that's right. So we've cleaned up the head as best we can. We're not going for perfection. We're definitely not going for perfection. We'll just cleaned it up. I mean, it's lived a life, hasn't it? This, let's face it, it's got dings in it, knocks in it everywhere. There's a big chunk there. Look, where it's hit something. Where it's missed and he's hit something on the side. So we're not going for perfection, but what we're doing is just going for a clean up job. I'm going to leave the ends, the metal, and we'll just give this a little lick of hammerite. It's a £7 head, and the only other markings that's on it, I don't know if it means anything. It looks like 40, whatever that is, whatever that means. I don't know. That's some kind of reference to the steel or something like that. Yeah, happy days. So yeah. I think you've caught me with my shaft between my legs. There you go. Right, so Project Sledgehammer. Been out and bought a shaft this morning. Probably not ideal, but gave the head a lick of paint yesterday. It's been baking in the sun for 2 days. It is red hot. It is pretty hot outside today. It's Well, it's 30 degrees at the minute and it's 11:30, so expected to reach 40 today for the first time ever, but who knows. Anyway, basically all my jobs have been cancelled for today. I had 3 jobs to do and I messaged them last night, and basically they all said no, leave it, it's not growing, it's going to be too hot, whatever. So yeah, that's that. So we're going to make a little YouTube video. Why not? So this is the shaft I've got. Apparently it's hickory. It's not. It hasn't got the split end. So I don't know how it's going to work. But apparently this should fit, should work. As I say, gave that a lick of paint. Left the end so it's nice and shiny. So it's going to look good. It's got all the imperfections still in it. You're not going to get them out. And that big ding in it. But it looks cleaner, looks tidy, looks smarter. So we're going to try and attempt to put the shaft on. Never put a big shaft on like this before, so it's going to be interesting. So 1 minute and let's put the shaft on. Blimey. Just been inside and it's 30 degrees inside, so she's warm today. Anyway, let's try and do this shaft. So I should have done this probably before I did it, but I didn't do it. So can you see? Probably not. Oh, right. So I should have done this before I painted it, but I didn't do it. So I'm a bit of a donkey. So just gonna get my finger in there and give it a bit of a clean out. So we should be good at that. This looks like it's just going to slot straight in, so now if we just try and sand it, that's the plan. That is the plan. Right. Kind of got it in. That's about as far as I can get it in. I probably should have trimmed a little bit off. It's definitely in. It's gnarled up, and just going to stick the oh god, sticking this piece in. I've forgotten how it's called, but I'm sticking it in. Okay, we're not sticking it in. This is when things just go absolute pants. Where's the hammer gone? Oh, the hammer! This is what it's like living in chaos. I can't even find anything. God, I hate my life. Oh. Anyway, it's the finished product. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. Will it do the job? I'm pretty sure it will. Pretty sure it will. There you go. Happy days. Paid a little bit more for the handle than what I wanted to do. There you go. So hopefully it should actually scratch the paint there. Oh, annoying. But yeah, should work nice. 4. It should be okay soon. As I say, it's been in my family for 40 odd years, so she gets to fight another day. I'm going to sand the handle down and oil it up when I get some oil at some point. A few marks in there. But anyway, it's a sledgehammer and it's going to get a view, so happy days.